the ANCHER Electric Bike for adults boasts a remarkable combination of power, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their daily commute or weekend adventures. With a peak power of 750W, this e-bike promises an exhilarating ride while ensuring that you can tackle various terrains without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the ANCHER e-bike is its robust 750W motor. This motor provides an impressive boost, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, depending on conditions and rider weight. The bike's performance is particularly commendable when climbing steep hills or navigating through challenging terrains. The acceleration is smooth, and the motor's responsiveness is immediate, allowing for swift takeoffs that can be particularly useful in urban settings or when merging into traffic. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity, removable 48V lithium-ion battery that offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge in eco mode. This is a significant advantage for those who may need to travel longer distances without the worry of running out of power. The 3-hour fast charge capability is a game-changer, minimizing downtime and allowing you to top up the battery quickly if needed. This feature is particularly useful for commuters who might need to recharge during the workday or for riders planning a weekend trip. When it comes to comfort and practicality, the ANCHER Electric Bike does not disappoint. The design includes an adjustable seat and handlebar, which allows riders of varying heights to find their optimal riding position. The seat is well padded, providing comfort over long rides, which is critical for commuting or leisurely rides through the park. Additionally, the bike features a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads or trails. This enhances the bike's versatility, making it suitable for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The bike is also designed with safety in mind. It includes dual disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, which is particularly important at higher speeds. The braking system is responsive, giving riders confidence when navigating busy streets or making sudden stops. Another notable safety feature is the bright LED headlight and taillight, which improve visibility at night and enhance overall safety during low-light conditions. The ANCHER e-bike is equipped with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information at a glance. The display shows your current speed, battery life, distance traveled, and various modes of assistance. This allows riders to switch between different levels of pedal assist easily, tailoring their ride to their desired level of exertion. The bike also features a throttle mode, which allows riders to accelerate without pedaling, providing extra convenience when needed. Aesthetically, the ANCHER Electric Bike is appealing, with a sleek design available in multiple color options. The frame is constructed from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring longevity while maintaining a lightweight profile. This lightweight design makes it easier to maneuver in transport, easing the burden of carrying it upstairs or loading it onto a vehicle. Assembly of the ANCHER Electric Bike is straightforward, with most components pre-assembled. The included instructions are clear, making it easy for anyone to set up the bike quickly. It's worth noting that while minor adjustments may be needed post-assembly, the overall assembly process is user-friendly. In terms of cost, the ANCHER Electric Bike is competitively priced compared to other e-bikes with similar features. Given the robust motor, long battery life, and overall performance, it presents excellent value for those looking to invest in a reliable electric bike. On the downside, while the bike performs admirably, some users may find the weight of the bike slightly cumbersome, especially if they're not accustomed to handling heavier bikes. Additionally, while the bike is equipped for various terrains, those who primarily ride on rough trails might desire an e-bike with even more advanced suspension features. In conclusion, the ANCHER Electric Bike for adults offers a well-rounded package for both casual riders and serious commuters. It's powerful,